it is very difficult for him to to do copy and
Okay.
sometimes, yeah, he was telling me I can't do copy and paste
Mm-hmm.
because you share. I think so. I've told Yash
Python,
to,
yeah.
yeah, you just share the this, na? What are the
Mm-hmm.
assignment? So
Yeah,
from
yeah, yeah.
there, you're not able to copy and paste. Something other thing is like other options are there that you can send him again, and I don't know.
One thing I'm showing him, is he online now? Can he?
Yeah,
Look,
yeah. One second,
fine,
I will
fine.
call him.
Yeah, you call him and I'll tell him how to do the procedure.
Yeah, me. Sir is calling. And he has done some assignment. He has sent you
Yeah,
yesterday.
I have checked. Yeah, I checked it and we have discussed also in today's class. I have cleared all his doubts.
Okay, so
Just
how
have
he
to.
is doing? Like, just as a mother, I want to
Yes,
know
yes.
also.
I know. He is doing excellent, I can say. He is doing really
Yeah.
excellent. As compared to other kids, he is the one, he is giving answer very fast, and he himself take that, sir, can I give the answer of this one? Can I give the answer of this one? Like that. So he is
So
doing
nice.
really excellent. So I'm just saying that like he do the way he is doing. So I'm thinking like if I take the test, he will be the first one, topper of
Oh,
this particular both the batches compared to and all. He's really doing very good.
thank
Like
you, sir.
impressed.
Yeah, just boost him every time. Like,
Yes, yes.
that for him it's good to make the career in this.
Mm-hmm. No worry, I have other plans also. One these all kids have already done this one. I have all the roadmaps how they have taken up. I have taken their requirements basically in the starting of the class only. I have taken what exactly they are proceeding, what they are interested in. So those details are already with me. Then once this particular things is going to be covered, then I can guide up in the coming classes also. Your requirement is this, so you need to do or you need to learn this particular thing to get that particular output which you are willing for. So no
Thank you,
worries
sir.
about it.
In fact, like sometimes kids do a choice like randomly, like but
Mhm.
you are the better person to give them
Yeah,
guidance.
yeah,
Which
exactly.
option is better for the future,
Yeah,
like
exactly.
So
So
you always give them guidance,
mhm. No, what?
something.
Yes. What they are
Yeah,
learning,
boost.
yes,
Uh-huh.
what they are learning, that is going to be very big in up to 20 years from now. These things will be useful for them. What they are learning. Coming to, if
Okay.
I'm talking about the White Hack Junior and all, they are doing the blockchaining one. Those that is not exactly the coding, and what they are doing now, that is exactly the coding. They can automate it up, all those things. Even I am teaching to 20-25 years of an experience, so somehow similar to what I am teaching them, I am teaching to them also same content, so you can think of it.
Thank you so much, and really I appreciate from my heart, like um, because we are not from this
Yes,
line,
I know.
and
Yeah,
you can
I know.
understand, like uh,
Mhm.
whatever we feel, like now is the
Mhm.
technology world.
Mhm.
The kids should go in this, and like we don't have any options, like
Yes.
better than you, like you can give them
Yeah,
guidance,
yeah.
and something like they can be something in their future, like
Yes. Yes, sure. No problem. Just be connected to me and you can
yeah,
ask
yeah,
me anytime. So no problem. I'll guide you. I'll be glad to guide and make someone's good for future. That's all what is there. Isn't
yeah,
it?
anything. If he's like he's not doing any assignment, or you just tell me, I will push him, and even you can, like give him some good vibes and boosting energy, like
Yes, I
sometimes
understand. But
their
yeah,
age is like
yeah.
sometimes they are carried away, like
Yes.
so I just request you, just boost him
Ah,
up every time, like
yes. But he like as compared to others and all, he don't require. He himself is boosted. I don't know what you are giving to him for eating.
So nice. Thank you. It is
Yeah,
just
they,
like, my cousin, I will tell you frankly, last year vacation, my cousin has given him some the classes of Scratch. He's a software engineer. Like, just like I was with
yes.
him, like talking with my cousin. I told I don't know what to do in the vacation. Then he told, okay, every day I will take some classes of him, like,
Yeah, I
so
understood.
from last year he has started, and and this way that Honey approached me, and then and then I
Yes.
thought, okay, let him continue in this.
Good, good, good. So somehow, like this all which he is learning right now, those things I am going to teach to MNCs also. Top three company, top two company. So you can understand if he learns this particular thing and he will be connected with to me, then I can guide him very good.
So
Fine.
nice.
So
Yeah, so nice. I will pass to Neil, and thank
yeah.
you so much. Thank you.
Oh, nice talking to you, ma'am.
Yeah. One second. Hello.
Anil,
Yes.
yeah, you are facing any difficulty in assignment?
No, is that the questions which you told, like write the output and all?
Uh,
I can't, like I did some and I couldn't do some because I couldn't like copy paste them all, and I had to write
see,
them all.
see what you do. Uh, you are checking right now. See what I will do. I will send you. I will send to each and every participant the py file. Py file is a Python file, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. So what you have to do, you have to download this py file as like you can see my screen, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. So I have downloaded this dictionary assignment Python file. Then what I have to do? Then I have to open this file. So to open the file, I'll click on show folder. Okay. Once I have opened the show folder, then I have to click the right click I need to do and then edit with IDLE. Okay. Edit with IDLE and then edit with IDLE. The Python IDLE it will give an option. Once I open this IDLE one, okay, this file will get all the assignment file will get executed will be coming over here. Okay, what you
Okay.
do, what you do now, you just do, for example, this condition, for
Okay.
example, this output. What is the output of the below close snippet? If any error, then how to solve that? So what it is saying, I have created a dictionary. I have given the key and value pair and type of dictionary 2 I have given. So output of this, if I execute it, what it will come? The output is going to become as a class DICT, isn't it? The type of
Yes.
this. Now this you write it as a comment, you can write it, okay, and or you can write without comment also. And the next question what it is saying, what will the print of dictionary 2? So the print of dictionary 2 will be what? Triple one colon and then list one, then 112 colon and then list two, then comma, then 113 colon, then 14 comma 101 colon 16. This is the output, isn't it? Once you
Yes.
do, when you complete all this as like this, what you need to do, you save as, okay, you click on save as, fine, and in the starting of this file name you write your name. So I'm writing name underscore, I'll give it and I'll save this. So where I'm saving, in that particular location, you need to know Now what you have to do, you have to compose a new Gmail, write my
I have
email
to
ID.
send it to you.
Yes, write my email ID and you can
Yes.
write dictionary assignment. Okay,
Okay.
dictionary assignment. Once that
So,
done, then click on new file. 1 minute, let me complete. Okay, click on new file. Go to as an attachment. Go to that particular where you have saved the file, nil one. Okay, and select that file as an attachment. Okay, once this has been done, then you can write it, so you can find my assignment over there and let me know all the answers are correct or not, and then you just click on send. Okay,
okay,
is it
so,
good?
so I have to, so should I do those outputs or like, so should I do the
Yes,
outputs?
yes. You execute the code. Okay, you execute the code, and then what you have to do is you execute the code and then give the py file only, python file only you send me. Okay,
Okay.
okay, like
So,
that,
so
because
I
we are
should
going.
do the outputs.
Yes, I want the code, basically I want the code, I want the
Okay.
output.
Okay.
Okay, and try to send in python file only, not in the word file. You send me the python file only because we are doing coding in python, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, so from
Or
next time,
I can say, send you from Google Colab, right?
yeah, you can do with google colab also. Google
Okay,
colab
but
basically.
the rest questions which I haven't done, I'm gonna do it in Google Colab. But which I've done in Word, should I like do it again in the Google Colab, or
No, leave
it's
it, leave
better?
it. No, leave it. Now, next all assignment we are going to do in Google Colab. Okay. So I think
Okay.
so for okay. So for I think so for doing in Google Colab, you required a different version. Python py won't work basically. I think so. 1 minute. You have already installed the Python, no? Python you have already
Yes.
installed in yeah. So you try to do with Python. From next onward, next time I'll send you that IPNB file, Google Colab file format. Okay? Or
Okay.
is it open? Just 1 minute, not opening. Okay? So for the time being, this till how many I have given you, these you do in Python, okay? .py, and from next time I'll send both the file format. Google Colab one.
Okay.
So the file format of a Google Colab is IPNB. You will see it IPNB. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Any other doubt you
I,
have?
I don't
Okay.
have that.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye.